Searching for the best free AI courses on Coursera, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera offer there if it's still available. Now, here's something many people don't realize. You don't need to spend money immediately to start learning AI on Coursera. Some of the most popular AI courses can be accessed for free in audit mode, which lets you learn the course content before deciding whether you want a certificate. For complete beginners, AI for Everyone is one of the best free AI courses available. It explains artificial intelligence in plain English and focuses on how AI is transforming businesses and careers. If you're interested in practical AI skills, prompt engineering, courses are another great option. These help you learn how to work effectively with modern AI tools and are useful for marketers, business owners, students, and professionals. For learners who want a more technical path, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is often recommended. While certificates typically require payment, you can often explore portions of the learning content before committing. And if you're interested in machine learning, Coursera offers beginner-friendly machine learning courses that introduce concepts like supervised learning, neural networks, and AI fundamentals, step by step. The key is not trying to take 10 AI courses at once. Start with one beginner-friendly course. Understand the fundamentals, then move into more specialized areas like machine learning, data science, prompt engineering, or AI for business. So if you're searching for free AI courses on Coursera, beginner AI courses with certificates, machine learning for beginners, or how to learn AI for free, the best starting point is usually AI for Everyone, followed by prompt engineering and beginner machine learning programs. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.